In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail app password. An app password is a special one-time password that you generate in your Google account. You use it when a certain app or device cannot sign in with the normal Google login screen. This is common with older email apps, desktop mail clients, or devices like printers and scanners that need to send email. The app password lets that specific app connect to your Gmail while keeping your main account password private. To begin, go to your Google account security page. The easiest way is to open a web browser, make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, and then navigate to the security section of your Google account settings. Once you are there, look for the area related to signing into Google. Before you can create an app password, you must confirm that two-step verification is turned on. If it is not enabled, you will need to turn it on first, because Google only allows app passwords for accounts protected with two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second method of confirmation when signing in. After you confirm that two-step verification is on, click on two-step verification to open its settings. This takes you to a page with more options and details about your sign-in protection. Scroll down through the settings until you reach the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you will see an option labeled App Passwords. Click App Passwords to continue. At this point, Google may ask you to sign in again to confirm it is really you. Complete that sign-in prompt as needed. Now you will be able to create a new app password. Enter an app name to help you remember what it is for. For example, you might type something like Outlook, Mail, Scanner, or any label that matches the app or device you are connecting. Once you have entered the app name, click Create. Google will generate an app password for that app. Copy it exactly as shown and paste it into the app or device that is asking for a password. Use it in place of your normal Google account password. Keep in mind that each app password is unique, and you can revoke one later if you stop using that app or device. And that is all there is to it.